Architecture overview. Let's see now a little bit of how our system will be architected. So here we have our architecture view. Here in the top we have the clients of our system. These clients can be mobile applications, testing tools, browsers, web application, etc. Any piece of software that can talk through HTTP, regardless of the language it was written. The entry point in our system responsible for talking to the external world is our REST endpoints. Here we have our REST interfaces written with the JAX-RS. Right below that we have the service layer, responsible for applying the business rules related to our system. After that we have our repository layer, responsible for interacting with our relation database and providing data for the upper layers. As a vertical layer, on the right side we have our model layer, containing all of our entities that will be used by all of our horizontal layers. This architecture is simple, but efficient, and most important, meets our requirements. And for deployment view, we have here in this picture how our system will be split in terms of packages and how to be deployed in the Wildfly. So we have basically 4 components. Model will contain the core of our system, such as model, repository, and service layers. Library source.jar contains all of our REST interfaces that will interact with library model component. Then we have our library source.war. This is a web module responsible for exposing the REST interfaces defining the library source.jar module to the external world. So we have our REST interfaces defined here, and this guy here is just a wrapper around this and be responsible for exposing this to a real REST endpoint. And here, wrapping everything, we have our library.jar. This is our final package, the one that contains all of our modules and that will be deployed in the application server, in this case Wildfly. We also have one more package called library integration test that is responsible for holding all of our integration tests. However, this package is not delivered with our ER package, and thus it's not listed here. So this is pretty much for our architecture review.